portion.
Okay. So you have to write, he wrote a letter to his friend. So Pallavi has written, il a écrit une lettre à son ami. And Nish has written, il a écrit une lettre à son ami. Yeah, good. Both of you are correct. Then, next verb is to take. How do we say to take in French? You can delete these and write them in French. To take. How do we say to take in French? Perfect. Prendre. I'm happy when you write like this. I'm so glad. Prendre, that means to take. Okay, Nish, कोई बात नहीं. अभी हम रिवाइज करेंगे बहुत सारा. फिर I'm sure you're going to ace everything.
Yeah.
You're an intelligent guy, I know. Okay, so prendre, that means to take. Like he's a very fast learner. आपने बहुत जल्दी cope up किया है. So it's good. She takes, okay, पहले हम present में बनाएंगे. She takes a coffee in the morning. She takes a coffee in the morning. She takes a coffee in the morning. Elle prendre une café à morning. Very good. Elle prendre un café. So it's not une, it's un café. Café is masculine. Okay.
Okay.
Le morning. Okay. Pallavi has also written le morning. It's le matin. Okay. So the morning is what? Le matin. Okay. Keep revising the notes that I have already given you. ठीक है उसमें आपकी vocabulary भी strong होगी. Right? This is the very basic vocabulary. जब हम TEF पे पहुंचेंगे तो बहुत like high five vocabulary हो जाएगी. तो आपको मैं देती रहूंगी साथ साथ list. Okay. Then next sentence that you're going to write is, she took a coffee this morning. Past tense. She took a coffee this morning. Very good. Elle a pris un café le matin. Perfect, Nish. You aced it now. Elle a pris le café. Elle a pris le café. Once again. 2, 3. Ce matin. Very good. It's a better sentence, Pallavi, because you've written ce matin. I said this morning. So good. Okay, ce implies this. Elle a pris le café ce matin. Elle a pris un café le matin. Both are correct. Okay, but this word means ce. Okay. Next verb, that is, you can delete this one. How do we say to see in French? To see. Good. Voir, Nish,
I forgot.
no problem. Okay. So let's make the sentence. We see our neighbors in the park. You have to create a sentence. We see our neighbors in the park. Just remember, इसमें conjugate होगा with the subject. The subject is we. We see our neighbors in the park. थोड़ा सा complicated sentence है, but हो जाएगा. Try. Very good, Pallavi. Nous voyons nos voisins dans le parc और au parc. Very good. पल्लवी आप खुद ही कर रहे हो ना, कहीं से देख के तो नहीं कर रहे ना? है?
नहीं ये आपने करा था ना एक बार,
ओके ओके
मेरे को याद था।
ओके गुड. Il voir mon ami in le parc. Nos amis. Il voir. Okay, so you see, Nish, this is the correct form. No, V का मतलब होता है no, NOUS, ठीक है?
Oh wait, Ilzas means day. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. You just need a little revision, हो जाएगा. अभी तो आपने कुछ किया भी नहीं है, ठीक है? टेस्ट दूंगी आपको बहुत सारे, you can solve them. No voyons, no voisin, you have this weekend, उस पे बैठ के आप करना, ठीक है? No voyons, no voisin, no here means our, voisin neighbor, dans le parc, in the park. Okay, very good. अभी मैं क्या करूंगी, अभी इजी वाले देती हूँ आपको थोड़े से. Just a second. You can delete this. आपको मैं verbs बोलूंगी. And you have to write it in French. ठीक है? So the first verb is to have. How do we say to have in French? Very good, Nish. Avoir. Avoir. Very good, Pallavi. Okay, so the next verb is to eat. How do we say to eat in French? Manger. Good. Manger. How do we say to drink in French? Boire. Good, Pallavi.
Oh,
Yes, Nish? You forgot? Okay.
Yeah.
Drink. No worries. Good. Then you have to finish. How do we say to finish in French? Finish. Finir. Okay. So the verb is finir.
Finir.
Good, Pallavi. Okay. Next, how do we say to take in French? Prendre. Good. Yes, Nish.
I forgot all foods.
Okay, no problem. Next verb अभी करा है हमने. I think prendre हमने अभी भी तो किया था, है ना Nish? We just did it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Shocked
So
about it.
so the next verb is to read. ये भी करा अभी हमने. To read. Livre. Not livre, Pallavi, but good
Yeah.
try. Nish lire. Good. You got it this time. Okay. So the next one is to write. How do we say to write in French? Very good. Écrire. Good, both of you. To see. Voir. Good. Okay. So the next verb is to put. How do we say to put in French? Okay. Put. So the verb is, I'll write for you guys. Mettre. Okay. Mettre, with this spelling, it means to put. Yeah. Now can you delete this? We'll do a couple of more. Please delete all of this. Okay, good. Put वाला हो गया है. How do we say to say or to tell in French? To say or to tell in French? Parler, yeah, it could be one of it. More closer is, okay, to say, parler ठीक है, it's good. You can also use another verb, that is Dir. Okay? Dir with this spelling, it means to say. Okay? Next. How do we say to want in French? Want. I want this. Want. Okay. Pallavi?
मुझे भी नहीं आता ये वाला.
Okay. No worries. I'll write it for you. So want is what? Vouloir. What will I do is now I'll keep sharing with you a list of verbs. ठीक है? वो आप हर रोज बेसिस पे करोगे. जैसे एक आपको मिल गया, उसको याद करोगे. ठीक है? The following day in the class we'll start with the live test like this. ठीक है? 5-6 verbs आपसे पूछा करूंगी ताकि है ना we have an understanding that you guys are learning. So vouloir means to want.
Okay.
Okay. To can. Can. I can do it.
Oh.
What is that verb? Can. Nish is saying can. Can. Okay. So the verb is pouvoir. Okay. P-O-U-V-O-I. Pouvoir, that means can. Okay. So the next, to know. ये वाला तो हम कर चुके हैं क्लास में. To know. While I was showing you the PPT, उसमें भी ये था verb. To know. Facts या फिर किसी चीज के बारे में knowledge. Know. Okay. Pallavi? Savoir. Perfect. Okay. Savoir means to know. That means je sais, tu sais, il sait, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, ils savent, elles savent. ये हमने PPT में भी करा था. ठीक है? Okay. So the next verb is to understand. To understand. Comprendre. Perfect. Yes, Nish? अभी नहीं आ रहा आपको? क्या आ रहा है?
Oh. I was about to type it. Okay.
Okay, good.
I was typing comprehend.
Okay, good. Next one, to believe. ये थोड़ा सा complicated है, I think आपने नहीं किया है. To believe.
I have no idea.
No.
Okay, so the believe is, wait, I'll type it here. Croire. Croire. Croire means to believe. Okay. Next, to buy. This one we have done. To buy. कोई चीज खरीदना. To buy. Ashite. Good. Good, Pallavi. Ashite. To buy.
I forgot.
Okay. Now to sell. To sell. Sell. Vendre. Okay, perfect. Vendre. Next, to choose. To choose. Pallavi. Okay, choose. So choose क्या होता है? We have done it. I hope पता नहीं आपको शायद याद नहीं है. Choisir. Choisir. That means to choose.
Course.
Choisir. Next, to work. काम करना. To work. Very good. Travailler. Good. Travailler. Perfect. ठीक है. So Nish आपको पता है. But the correct spellings are travailler, which Pallavi has written. Okay. So overall very good. Both of you. मतलब आपको आता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि you are at a blank space. So I'm sure ऐसे आप learn करते रहोगे तो you know it will be good for you. जो मैंने टेस्ट आपको दिया है वो आप करोगे. ठीक है. And then you can send me that. apart from it, I have shared with you this PPT, ठीक है? Just a second, I'm resharing my screen with you guys. Okay. इसको 1 second बच्चे. अब जो हम नेक्स्ट टेस्ट लेंगे ना नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे को, उसका क्या होगा? वी आर गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड यू. बाय वी आर गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड यू आई मीन कि आप वीडियो ओपन करेंगे, ठीक है? मैं भी अपना करूंगी वीडियो ओपन and we will do this dialogue. ठीक है? Let's say I would be checking on how well you are speaking these dialogues. तो उससे पहले हम काफी multiple dialogues कर लेंगे before Saturday, sorry, before Thursday. We'll do ample number of dialogues so that on Friday, you are able to give this speaking वाला test. Okay? एक speaking होगा और एक यही इस तरह से एक written and live test होगा उस टाइम पे on Friday. ठीक है? So today, what we're gonna just before we leave, we'll do one more dialogue, and then we'll continue on Monday. So by the time Monday को मैं आप करते हो तो ये सारे आप डायलॉग्स देखना किस तरह से लिखे हुए हैं ये पीपीटी में, ठीक है? Try reading them, and I have also shared one more book with you. तो वो बुक भी थोड़ा पढ़ना शुरू करो आप अपने आप से, but obviously we'll do that in the class as well. Okay, so I think we did this one. ये वाला डायलॉग किया था हमने. This one.
No.
What
No,
about the previous one?
Yeah,
I'm
previous one.
calling package है ना कोली deliver करने के लिए, right? Okay, so we do this one before we leave. Yeah. So the dialogue is Bonjour, je voudrais m'inscrire à un cours de français intensif. So somebody is saying that there is a dialogue between a child, élève, and an administratrice. What is an administratrice? Someone who gives you admission somewhere. ठीक है? So there are many people abroad. जैसे स्पेन में कोई रहता है, जर्मनी में कोई रहता है, या पोर्चुगल में आसपास की कंट्रीज में रहते हैं, तो वो क्या करते हैं? उस कंट्री में जाके दे लर्न द लैंग्वेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उनको फ्रेंच सीखनी है तो वो कुछ देर का टूर बना लेते हैं कि चलो हम फ्रांस जाके फ्रेंच सीखेंगे. ओके, सो इट्स लाइक लिंग्विस्टिक सेजूर. So the child is asking, Bonjour, hello, je voudrais, I would like to m'inscrire. M'inscrire means I would like to register myself in a cours, a class de français, of French, intensif. That is a French, intensive French he wants to register. And the administratrice, she says, bien sûr, of course. Quel est votre niveau actuel? What is your niveau means level actual. In actually, what is your level of French language? And élève says, j'ai un niveau, I have a level intermédiaire. What is intermédiaire? Je dirais B1. B1 means somewhere in between. ठीक है? ना उसको बहुत ज्यादा आती है ना उसको बहुत कम आती है. And then the administratrice, she says, Nous avons, we have un cours, a class B2, B2 qui commence, which start le semaine prochain, the next week. Les mardis, that is the Wednesday, et jeudi. Okay, a lundi, mardi, Wednesday to Thursday. At what time? At 18h. Okay, so we have a class, B2 class, which start la semaine prochaine, the next week. Le mardi et jeudi. Wednesday and Thursday are 18h, that is at 6 o'clock. And the élève says, so I've told you, हम S के सबसे पहले आगे लगाते हैं whenever we are asking a question. Est-ce que les cours, are the classes, sont en présentiel? En présentiel means in present. यानी कि personal classes हैं ou online or online. So there's a query happening. And the administrators say online via Zoom, just like we are having. The class is going to be online via Zoom. And the élève says, parfait, it's perfect. Quelles sont les démarches à suivre? What are les démarches means the steps à suivre, to follow. And the administrative say, Je vais vous envoyer. I am going to send you. Envoyer means send you. Le formulaire d'inscription, the form of registration. D'inscription is a registration. Par courrier. What is courrier? Your email. And the 11 says, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. So these are the very, जैसे कहते हैं ना बेबी डायलॉग्स हैं ये तो अभी ठीक है तो हमें ये बेबी डायलॉग्स भी करने हैं बिकॉज जब हम एक्चुअल में बड़े बड़े करेंगे इट विल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर यू ठीक है सो अभी जो मैंने आपको समझाया कुछ टफ तो नहीं लगा इसमें यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस डायलॉग राइट
Yes, ma'am.
ओके व्हाट अबाउट यू निश समझ आ रहा है ये वाला डायलॉग
Yeah, yeah. I
ओके
understand the gist of it.
Okay, you've understood the gist of it. Okay, that is what is important right now. Right now, you might not be able to replicate exactly the way they are speaking, but just samajhna zaruri hai. Okay, yeah. Now, can you tell me what is the situation? What is happening here?
They're trying to book a French class.
Very good, perfect. And what is the level of the child? Level in French of the child?
Intermediate,
She's an
like below
intermediate.
B.
Yeah, very good. Intermediate B1. And the class is in which mode?
Online.
Online. Very good. Via Zoom. And what are the things they need to do in order to register for the course? Yes.
Did we read an inscription like courier?
Very good. Very good. She said, Administratrice, je vais vous envoyer. I'm going to send you le formulaire d'inscription. That means she's going to send him the form. He has to just simply fill up the form by email. And he will be able to register himself for the French intensive course. Okay, right. So before we leave, yes, 11, you are going to, Nish, you're going to be 11 and Administratis Pallavi. We're going to do this dialogue once again. Yeah, you can start.
Yeah. Bonjour, je voudrais m'inscrire à un cours de français intensif.
Bien sûr. Quel est votre niveau actuel?
J'ai un niveau intermédiaire, je dirais B1. B1.
Nous avons un produit qui commence la semaine prochaine, les mardis et jeudi à 10 heures.
Sweet
Oh,
Earth.
10 heures.
Est-ce que les cours sont en présentiel ou en ligne?
Online via Zoom.
Parfait. Quelles sont les démarches à suivre?
Je veux vous envoyer le formulaire d'inscription par courrier.
Merci beaucoup.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so good that you are, speaking these dialogues. So since I have shared with you the PPT already, you can go through next dialogues as well. Okay, and this is how you would learn speaking in French. And we will have this test on the upcoming Friday for speaking. ठीक है, along with this. अब इसमें जो टेस्ट में मैं दूंगी वो अवर के सेंटेंसेस दूंगी ठीक है बिकॉज निश वुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय दैट टाइम सो टुडे वी हैव डन टिल एथ ठीक है एथ वाले सेंटेंसेस okay so this is it for today's class see you on Monday please complete the test and share it back with me apart from it जो book मैंने आपको send करी है just let me know if you have received the book or not okay yeah, so we have another class in 5-6 minutes. Pallavi, if you wish, you can join. If no, not a problem. Okay, we are going to revise avoir wale sentences. Je, tu, ila, ella, essay. Okay? Right. Okay, Nish. So you take your 5-6 minutes break and then we rejoin. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then bye
À
bye.
bientôt.
À bientôt.
Merci
Bon
beaucoup.
weekend.